In order to sign in to Content Studio, you're simply going to put Content Studio in the search box, find the Content Studio app on your device, then you will walk through and sign in with the email address that was added for you. Once you're logged in, it will bring you to the main screen that will show you different topics that you can research. What you're going to do is click the top left corner hamburger, and you'll see there is a composer item. So you click on composer. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to tell it what social profiles you would like to post to. So you're going to click on the plus symbol, and you're going to select all for every single one of the social profiles and hit done. You'll see at the top it added the social profiles. What you'll do is you'll write a post. So for the project for the day, then you're going to click on the camera icon, the bottom left, allow access to all photos. That is going to take a picture, but you are going to look at the photo library, and you're going to pick a photo of the job that you just did, attaching it to the post that you're creating. Then what you're going to do is hit queue, and that will add it to the queue of content. It's that simple. So when you get done with a roofing job, you'll come here, hit post, and then add the photo, a little description of what you're doing, and that's it.